A very warm welcome to one and all watching this video. This is Gaurav from Splash Fragrance India, and today we are going to talk about this famous fragrance by the house of Christian Dior. It's called as Sauvage EDT. Guys, Christian Dior's Sauvage was launched a few years back, and it has been one of that fragrance which created revolution in terms of blue fragrance. It is airy, it is citrusy, it is musky, it is woody at the same time. Yet, I feel that this fragrance can be signature scent for anyone out there. Not extra sweet, not much woody. It can be worn at all the occasions. You talk about Indian humidity, you talk about late night parties, you talk about formal meetings, anything, and this fragrance can rock and all. Now talking about the longevity of this fragrance at now, like this is the 2020 bottle which I am carrying right now. This one gives me at least 5 to 6 hours bare minimum. Then it becomes skin scent and it is barely noticeable. But if you guys can actually grab an older bottle like 2016, 2017 sort of bottle, it would be worth having, because this fragrance, if you wear it in the air conditioned environment, it will at least give you 7 to 8 hours bare minimum. But in the regular Indian climate, I think so 5-6 hours, this is decent. And moreover, for the price point of 9,000 rupees for 100 ml and 14,000 rupees for 200 ml, I think so go for 200 ml guys, because that can actually save you bucks. And when we talk about the fragrance as a whole, it has a very beautiful note of ambroxan. Ambroxan is a chemical which creates a loud aroma out of this bottle. It has citrus note, it has the accord of woody, which makes it very seductive as well as calming at the same time. And I think so it's one of those fragrances which is basically non-brainer. आप कभी भी इसको लगाओगे किसी भी सेटिंग में, आपको कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होगा कि ये कोई ऑफेंसिव होता जा रहा है. तो मुझे लगता है ये एक फ्रेग्रेंस ऐसा है जो हर फ्रेग्रेंस एंथुसियास्ट के पास में होना चाहिए. अगर आपको लगता है कि 5-6 hours इज एक्चुअली नॉट वर्थ हैविंग, यू कैन गो फॉर EDP और द न्यू परफा वर्जन. EDP में मुझे एटलीस्ट 12 to 14 hours की लॉन्जेविटी मिलती है विद अ वेरी गुड प्रोजेक्शन. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट परफा हैज़ गुड प्रोजेक्शन, बट उसकी लॉन्जेविटी भी मतलब 12 to 14 hours रहती है. और ऑल इन ऑल अगर आप तीनों की बात करो, EDT, EDP एंड परफा, दे हैव अ वेरी सिमिलर कॉम्पोजिशन, बट EDT इज़ वेरी एयरी, वेरी जेस्टी. EDP थोड़ा सा डार्क है, और परफा में जो डेप्थ है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डीप है, वुडी नोट्स उसमें ज़्यादा ही एम्ड अप है. तो आई थिंक सो EDT वुड बी अ वेरी बेटर चॉइस. बट अगेन, इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग एट अ वेरी डिसेंट परफॉर्मेंस, गो फॉर EDP. Now talking about the bottle presentation, it comes in blackish blue sort of bottle. अगर आप देख सकते हो, बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी सिलेंड्रिकल सॉर्ट ऑफ बॉटल है. इसका जो कैप है दैट इज आई थिंक सो प्लास्टिक यूज हुआ है, बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट हैज़ अ मैग्नेटिक कैप. ये एक इसको एड ऑन फैक्टर देता है, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है मुझे. और इसके जो बॉटम पे अगर आप देखोगे तो ऑल दी डिटेल्स अबाउट दी पैकेजिंग कंपनी, the country of manufacturing and everything is all mentioned out there, and I feel that this is actually worth having. So guys, if you are loving this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do let me know in comments if you have ever tried this beautiful fragrance. Thank you so much guys. Signing off. Bye.